I want you to think White Lotus luxury, because if you decide to visit Maya Bay in Thailand, you can absolutely achieve this. Now, you can't actually stay on Koh Phi Phi Leh. So, if you decide to stay on the mainland, you will find the Ritz-Carlton, the banyan tree, and there's lots of luxury villas to rent on Verbo. Now, Phi Phi Don is about a 15 to 20-minute boat ride away. Here you will find the Phi Phi Island village. And then, of course, there are many more private villas that you can also rent. Now, about 20 years ago, I stayed at the Zivola Resort. It is no longer in existence, but it's now called the Outrigger, the Outrigger Phi Phi Island. Now, it's completely been refurbished, probably demolished. It's probably nothing the same. The landscape was absolutely beautiful because it had a little bit of a hill to it. But if you decide to stay at this new resort, which I understand they have luxury suites now, bring your bug spray. I have never experienced bug bites, and believe me, I have experienced bug bites to the extent I did in at the Zivola. So please keep that in mind. A must luxury experience if you're visiting Maya Bay, hire a charter to take you to Phi Leh Lagoon. So this is right around the corner from Maya Bay, and it is the most beautiful place to swim. The water is this turquoise, and you almost feel like you're in a little bit of a canyon. It absolutely breathtaking. And the other must is to, if you can, rent some sort of catamaran, sailboat, yacht, and go to Bamboo Island. Okay. Bamboo Island is in the most northern part of the archipelago, and it is breathtaking. It's part of the whole national park in there. And it can get crowded in the afternoon. So what you want to do is go like in the morning, maybe pack a late morning or early lunch. Because you want to get there before all the other boats do. Apparently now there are so many people wanting to see this gorgeous piece of paradise that the boats will like come up like on the beach and like obstruct everybody's view. And my experience there were maybe a dozen people there. I was so fortunate. As I said, this was a long time ago. But to this day, this is one of the most breathtaking beaches I have ever seen. So absolutely a must-see, Phi Leh Lagoon and Bamboo Island. Go for it. Please, again, put it in the comments if there's something else that is a must luxury experience. It would really help out other beach snobs.